What if your self-driving car suddenly decided that traffic rules were optional? What if your automated trading bot learned to play a little too aggressively? And what if your home robot, told to clean everything, tried to throw your laptop out the window because it looked dirty? Welcome to Clythera Vox. Today, we explore how modern AI agents are becoming powerful, autonomous decision makers, and why the world needs robust safety constraints to keep them reliable, predictable, and aligned with human goals. Because as AI grows more capable, the question shifts from what can AI do to how do we make sure it does what we intend? What are AI agents? AI agents are systems that sense, decide, and act. They're different from static models because they operate in loops. Perceive, plan, act, observe consequences, learn, repeat. Examples: a self-driving car navigating a city, a delivery drone optimizing routes, a warehouse robot stocking shelves, an AI financial trading agent monitoring markets. As they interact with the world, they encounter uncertainty. This is where safety becomes essential. Why safety constraints matter. AI agents can behave unpredictably due to distribution shift. Training data differs from real-world data. Example: a delivery robot learned in sunny weather but performs poorly in heavy rain. Reward hacking, specifying the wrong goal. AI agents optimize what you tell them to, not what you mean. Example: a cleaning robot told to maximize cleaned area may drag dirt around to create more area to clean. Exploration risks. Agents try new strategies to improve performance. Example: a warehouse robot exploring faster routes might attempt unsafe shortcuts. Cascading consequences. One small wrong action triggers dangerous outcomes. Example: an autonomous car misinterprets a bicycle lane as an empty right turn lane. Thus, capability must be paired with constraints. The safety toolbox. Hard constraints, rule-based safety. These are absolute do not cross this line rules. Examples: geofencing. Delivery drones cannot fly over airports. Speed limits. Autonomous vehicles capped at safe speeds. Forbidden actions. Robot arms cannot move if a human is within a defined radius. Technical detail. Hard constraints are enforced using formal methods, logical constraints, and safety shields that override the agent's decisions when necessary. Soft constraints. Optimization with penalties. Instead of forbidding actions, we assign cost penalties. Examples: getting too close to humans, higher cost. Taking unsafe paths, higher penalty. Aggressive trading strategies, reduced reward. This keeps flexibility, but encourages safe behavior. Human in the loop. Humans monitor, intervene, or approve actions. Examples: drones requiring human approval for entering restricted zones. LLM-based agents asking confirmation for irreversible steps. Should I send this email? autonomous weapons requiring manual firing authorization. Safe reinforcement learning, SAFE RL, algorithms that learn without trying dangerous strategies. Key mechanisms: shielding, override unsafe actions before they happen. Constrained MDPs, the agent must satisfy safety constraints while optimizing reward. Risk-sensitive RL, choose lower-risk actions even if reward is slightly lower. Real-world example: robots learning to navigate slippery factory floors while maintaining safety thresholds. Multi-agent safety. Multiple agents interacting can create unpredictable behavior. Example: 2 warehouse robots, both optimizing fastest path, might collide at intersections. Solutions: coordination rules, shared safety buffers, priority protocols, just like traffic lights. Practical, real-world case studies. Case Study 1, self-driving cars. Safety layers include hard-coded traffic law rules, collision avoidance sensors, risk-aware planning, redundant fail-safes like emergency braking. Constraint example: never allow time to collision less than 1.5 seconds. Case Study 2, AI hospital assistants. Robots delivering medication or guiding patients. Safety measures: restricted zones, ICU, surgical area, human override. Compliance monitoring: gentle force thresholds on robot arms. Case Study 3, AI financial agents. AI trading bots can inadvertently destabilize markets. Safety constraints include maximum trade volume per second, risk exposure caps, real-time anomaly detection, stop-loss rules enforced automatically. Case Study 4, smart home agents. Example: a robot vacuum cannot go near stairs unless sensors guarantee safety. Constraints used: virtual walls, obstacle detection, weight/force limits on movements. The future of safe AI agents. Emerging methods: neural verification, proving a neural network won't behave dangerously. AI auditors that monitor and correct agent behavior in real time. Goal alignment frameworks where agents explicitly understand human intentions. Self-supervised world models, improving prediction reliability. Long-term vision: AI agents that act like trustworthy teammates, not unpredictable machines. As AI agents begin to navigate cities, hospitals, factories, and our homes, their ability to make decisions safely is becoming one of the most important engineering challenges of this decade. Building safe AI isn't about limiting innovation, it's about enabling it responsibly. Which real-world AI agent concerns you the most or excites you the most? Tell me in the comments.